Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by fixing the environment. Check device time and time zone because Google rejects mismatched certificates. Next, open a private window or clear cookies to avoid cached errors. Disable any VPN or proxy since Google flags unusual locations. Once done, choose Create Account, enter your name, and pick an available username. Make a strong password and type it twice. Finally, add a recovery email and the phone number when prompted to enable verification and reduce future blocks. You now handle verification and form precision because small mismatches often cause failures. Enter your legal name and birth date exactly as on ID, avoid extra characters. Choose SMS for the verification code. If SMS doesn't arrive, try the voice call option, but only after waiting a minute. Complete the CAPTCHA carefully to prove you are human, then read and accept the terms. If creating for business, set the account type correctly to prevent later account restrictions and to align services with your needs. You finish by confirming the account with the verification code and signing in immediately to set security options. Enable two-step verification and save backup codes. Make sure to add recovery details and review privacy settings so you can recover access later. If creation still fails, try a different device or a trusted network, then pause and retry after 24 hours to avoid rate limits. As a final step, use Google's account recovery/contact forms to escalate and keep screenshots of errors to speed support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.